Hi, I'm Ada and I like making traditional Finnish Tuohicrafts. Join me as we'll make these star-shaped earrings with just birch bark and very simple tools. Let's go straight into the equipment that we'll need and start crafting. The first thing we'll need is of course the birch bark. I have my bark already cut into some strips. If you had wide slabs of bark, you can already cut them into strips that are under 1 centimeter. Then we need a knife, scissors for cutting the bark. You will also need some earring parts, basic pliers, and then finally this stitching awl. This is all you need. Let's go. Let's start the first star. Take your 4 straps and position them so that the whiter side is towards you and the wood colored side is facing down. Take 2 straps, position them vertically, and then you have 2 straps that you have to weave into this. So position the first one so that it's under the rightmost strap and over the leftmost strap. Take the other one, place it under the leftmost and over the rightmost. Once the straps are positioned this way, they form a kind of basket bottom. So this is our base and now we can start folding. Take the leftmost strap and fold it diagonally over the center. Don't fold it in a 45-degree angle, but make a tighter angle like this. This was previously here and now it's folded over the center. Keep it in place and turn your work 90 degrees. So the leftmost strand goes over and is now here. Turn your work 90 degrees. Take the left one and fold it over diagonally. Now we can see the center of the star forming. Again, take your work, turn it 90 degrees. We take the leftmost one and we fold it. And it looks like this. But now, this has to be secured, otherwise the star won't keep in place and it will start unraveling. So what we need to do is stick this under that one. I loosen this one, so I push it and form a tunnel for the other strap to go under. Here is our working strap and here is the tunnel that we need to push it under. So I'm just sliding it here and it comes out the other way. Now the strap is under there and all these are secured, so this won't unravel. One strap at a time, pull them very gently. I advise that you go step by step, so pull the straps lightly but firmly and try not to snap them because then you might have to start again. I think I'm now satisfied. This is tight enough for me. It's time to get your scissors out. I think this looks like some kind of imaginative stick insect. Maybe I should make these just to be stick insects, but not today. Today we are cutting the legs off. Take 1 pair of legs, take your scissors, position them flush with the strap and make a cut. Ta-da! Then continue to the other legs and cut them as well. Flip your work and do the same to this side. So cut along the edge for each leg. And the last one. Ta-da! Now you have your star. If you want to do the earrings as I'm doing now, make the other one exactly in the same way. Ta-da! You have 2 stars ready to be made as earrings. To make the earrings, have some jewelry parts, some pliers and a stitching awl. I think I'll do silver ones today. Take your star and your stitching awl. I'll make the hole into this side. Be careful that you won't crack the bark. Finally I got the awl through it. Now that I have the hole ready, I will take a silver hoop and work it through the hole and then tighten it again. Remember to attach your earring piece before you close the hoop. Now I just need to do the other side. So there we have it, a fun, simple, easy project to make during winter. Hope you enjoyed the video. Tell me in the comments what should I make next of birch bark. And if you liked this video, go watch the birch bark ring video. And then you can have a matching set with your ring and your earrings made of birch bark. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you feel like it, and I'll see you in the next one.